Alright guys, we got an unboxing.
Fucking give out, you know, you give construction.
Check it out, check it out.
Fucking,
let's go.
Showing up, and they come back like they can.
Yeah.
So you can give it up.
I think so. Honestly, I think fucking Mahomes the second half.
Oh, we got a lot of stuff in here.
Those guys were actually covering people though.
Alright, let's check out what we got. Let's go. Alright, first things first. Let's check this out. Check that out. Right there.
So what does that mean? How many points?
What y'all think about them things right there?
Well, when you do money,
We got the new rubber grips on them. Go ahead and open this up. We got the matching shaver. Let's go.
Wow, they really like you.
They really love me. Check that out.
you boy.
Let's get it. Let's go. Alright, but check it out. We ain't done yet.
Oh, there's more.
Oh, there's more. We got the matching charging stand. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, you thought we were done?
Oh, we ain't done yet. We still ain't done.
But wait,
There's more. The matching charging stand for the clipper. There we go. So check it out. We got one for the trimmer and then one for the clipper. We got the carrying case for the shaver. We got the BABYLISS for Barbers Essential Barber Kit. And then we got the magnetic mat. We're gonna set this stuff up, man. Hey, let's go, man. Let's get it. Alright guys, so if y'all interested in making your own custom clippers, I'm gonna run y'all through it here in a minute. But I'm gonna show y'all what exactly comes in here before we get into that. So here is my CUSTOMFX clipper. And I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but they got the rubber grips on there, so it's not like the metal grips anymore. You know, it's basically like the those influencer trimmers with the rubber grips. They got that for clippers now. It will be coming soon to the CUSTOMFX app. And then we got the trimmer, the matching trimmer. Y'all know how your boy does it. And same thing here, guys. We got the rubber grip on here, just like the influencer edition of the trimmer. And then we got the shaver. Here is the shaver. Let's check that out. And once again, guys, you can create all these on the CUSTOMFX app. The rubber grips are coming soon, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But remember, when you go create your stuff, you can actually use my discount code TANK10. Save yourself a little bit of money, you know what I'm saying? And just create what you want, man. But yeah, let me charge these things up. Guys, check it out. So y'all already seen my CUSTOMFX clippers right here. So I did a brief little unboxing for y'all. You know, I wanted to show y'all how they looked and what all they came with. But you know, I put them back in the box just so I can bring them home so I can talk about them a little more. So once again, guys, you can create these on the CUSTOMFX app, and we're gonna run through that real quick. But you can create these on the CUSTOMFX app. The rubber grips, if y'all can see that right there, they're not available just yet, but they're coming real soon to the CUSTOMFX app. But here's the trimmer. Now check that out. You know, same thing, rubber grips. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. So I think I took everything out of here, but y'all know what it is, man. It comes with a charger, you know, it comes with the older guards. It does not come with the premium guards, just so y'all know, it does not come with the premium guards. But nonetheless, you know, it comes with that. And move it to the side. And then I left the case to the shaver at the shop, but this is the shaver right here. You know what I'm saying? I got my Tank Be Chopping colors on there. That's the shaver. And I don't know if y'all been paying attention to the BABYLISS Instagram, but they just released charging docks. These are customized for my clippers. These are not available just yet for customization, but they are coming soon to the CUSTOMFX app. So as y'all can see, you know, they're customized to my personal Tank Be Chopping colors, you know what I'm saying? But let me go ahead and show y'all basically how we do this, you know what I'm saying? How we can customize these clippers. So basically, let me screen record this. So if you don't have the CUSTOMFX app, you're gonna have to go to your app store, your Apple, your iCloud, whatever it is, and download the CUSTOMFX app. I can't spell right now. BABYLISS CUSTOMFX. So I already have it, as y'all can see. So we're gonna go ahead and open that. And then you click on Start Building. All right, so you would just go to Customize. You know, if you want to get the clipper, you click on that right there. And then housing, we're gonna click on, for instance, how I created mine was I clicked on, you know, navy blue, the handle, we put, I got navy blue, but once again, guys, I got the rubber grips and those aren't on the custom app yet, but we'll just put the navy blue for right now. The logo plate, we got the lighter blue paint. The bottom cap, we got the light blue. The taper arm, we did red. The on and off switch, we did red. And the blade, I selected the wedge, the gold wedge blade. And that's how we did that. Add that to cart like that. And then you go to the add button right there. And then you click on the trimmer, customize the trimmer. And then same thing, housing, we're gonna put navy blue, handle navy blue, logo plate, baby blue, bottom cap, baby blue, and the on and off switch, we're gonna put red. And in the blade, I just click, I believe I got the regular OG blade on there. Add that to cart. And then click the add button again, and then we're gonna click on customizing a shaver, and we're doing the same thing. Y'all see all these colors on there. We're gonna click navy for the that. For the foils, we're gonna pick baby blue, and the cap we're gonna do red, and the switch we're gonna do red. And that's basically what I did. You know, go ahead and add that to cart, and that's basically what I did to make my custom FX set, you know what I'm saying? And then also right here, I don't know if y'all see this, it says enter coupon code here. You can put Tank 10, put apply, and it goes from $6.19 to $5.57. So that's a pretty good deal, you know what I'm saying? Go to continue checkout, just put in all your information there, and you can get that. It also comes with a bunch of other stuff on there that you can add. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna go home again. Let me see how to do this. And you see at the bottom, they have accessories. So you can click like the Essential Barber Kit that I got. Also, add that to cart. Then you can pick the grooming bag if you want the bag. You know what I'm saying? The cape. I got the CUSTOMFX mat with it. Add to cart. Oh, you got to click a color. Add that to cart. And then, you know, continue to checkout. So it already has the checkout on there due to that code TANK10. So it's giving you a discount off of everything. And then you just continue to check out, put all your information in, you know, set that up, and then it's ready to go. Well, let me go ahead and show y'all what else I got from the app. So I also got this Essentials Barber Kit. Check that out. So it comes with the cape. Check it out. We got 2 hair clips. We got our BABYLISS brush, and then we got a BABYLISS comb. That's pretty tight. And then we also get this right here. I didn't even open this, but it's a carrying case for the shaver. So you can open that up. And then what you can do is you can just put your shaver in there all nice and neat like. You can put it right there, you know what I'm saying? It's got a little strap on there to make sure it don't fall out. Zip that thing back up. And then we also got a carrying case, another carrying case for the shaver. And then we also got this BABYLISS CUSTOMFX magnetic mat. So it's got a magnetic mat right here. You can just place your clippers on and, you know, stay right there. So I got that also. And that's basically all it came with, guys. So I did want to talk to y'all about the clipper real quick. So like I said, guys, I did use it for a haircut or two. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on for y'all. So it feels more powerful than the original, like Gold FX and the Silver FX and all the original like metal FX clippers. And the reason for that is they got an upgraded motor in these things. You know what I'm saying? So coming soon to the CustomFX app, you will have the clipper that comes with the rubber handles, the rubber grip handles, and you will have an upgraded motor in the clipper also. So this motor is actually stronger than the original motors from the old metal FX. And like I said, guys, I used it earlier and it worked really, really well. Here is the trimmer. Just love the way that sounds, man. But nonetheless, guys, these were my BABYLISS CustomFX clipper and trimmer. And this is the shaver. But yeah, guys, I think I got me a dope little set here. I'm excited to put it to work some more tomorrow. But basically, guys, that's it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. Remember, guys, if you want to get your own set of CustomFX clippers, trimmers, shavers, you know, the whole nine, you got to download the CustomFX app. And once you set up your clipper and trimmer and shaver the way you want, use my discount code TANK10. That way it can save you some money. It'll take about a week to get to you, give or take, you know what I'm saying, maybe a little less, maybe a little more, but give or take, it's gonna take about a week for them to build it and send it to you. And then yeah, guys, you can get to rocking and rolling with it. But like I said, guys, that's it for this video. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.